Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh my god. Hey guys, I've got a very cute surprise for you today. You know that I often show to you and review colored contact lenses for cosplay, and we'll get to it as well. But today I also want to show you a beautiful cosplay wig for Seraphine. It's a character from League of Legends, and let me know if you know this character and if you play this game in general. I'm already very excited to open this wig and colored contact lenses. By the way, this brand are You With Me who sent me these gifts, and I want to say big thanks to this store because I love it and I've been following and watching it for quite a while, for maybe several years already. And so You With Me, it's cute, kawaii, Harajuku street fashion store, so you can get a lot of cute stuff there, like lenses, wigs for cosplay, and even clothes. Okay, so we are going to open it. You always have a wig cap with your wig, just to help you to secure your hair. Okay, and so let's finally open this purple or pink wig, like all together. Right, okay, wow, that's fantastic. You know what? I've been dreaming about pink or purple hair for like very long time, and actually I was thinking about dyeing my hair, my own hair, like in pink or red. But you know, getting a wig is even better because you can change the hair color. Wow, that's so cool. I love it so much. Look at this color, it's so rich. Okay, I think I'm gonna wear it, but first I need to put on a cap. So after you put on your wig, you can style it any way you want. For example, you can use a fixation spray to make a fringe, or I don't know, ponytails or braids. I think I'm gonna experiment with it later. Okay, let's finally open the next gift, and it's colored contact lenses. So let's see what we've got here. Oh, this is so cute. Look at all these hearts. I can probably pop them. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh my god, this bubble paper, I think I'm just ready to order delivery only because of this paper. Okay, enough. So what's inside? Oh, that's a cute box. Cute, pinky, You With Me. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so I think I've got 3 pairs of lenses. Look at this. Also, you got a clean container for your lenses and some tools just to make it easier for you to get them in and out. Okay, so let's start with the first box. And let's see, I don't remember the colors already, so it will be a surprise. Ah, right. Okay, this one is something purple and blue all together. I ordered it because I thought it would look very good together with this wig, and I really love this. Now, as usual, I pour some solution into this container, and we are ready to take off the lenses. Alright, here is our next lot. Let's see what color it is there. It's pink and a little bit of black together. It should look very nice, again with this color of the week. And as usual, a new container. Oh, I actually found a piece of instruction, you know, how to take care of contact lenses. You can see. So here is the same process with these boxes. Oh, that's an interesting color. I like that there is a shade of pink and also black, and it's a little bit of greenish or grayish because of my natural eye color. Yeah, and overall it looks pretty cool. What do you think? Okay, let's take off this pair as well. And finally the last pair. Okay, so this one is a white lens for Halloween, I guess. Okay, these contact lenses are definitely not for this look. Well, though it looks very cool indeed, but I actually ordered these lenses for Halloween, and this is like standard zombie lenses. As you can see, the white lenses with black pupils, and I always have it in my kit, and I recommend it to you to have it in your kit because they always look good when you create a fantasy creature, some monsters and other creepy characters. Okay guys, let me know in the comments which color do you like most. This one, blue and purple shades, or maybe pink and black, the second pair, or maybe you're a zombie fan. We'll find out. Also, what do you think about this wig? Because I'm totally in love, and now I really want to dye my hair pink or purple or all together. I think maybe I'll make a video about it. Actually, I've got some pink and purple dye at home, and I really want to try to do this. It's not permanent, it's like semi-permanent. So what do you think? Do you want a video with me dyeing my hair? Because I'm really excited to try something new. I think it's a really good idea. If you are not sure which hair color suits you, you can order a wig or try it somewhere and see what it looks like on you. Well, what do you think? Does pink or purple suit me? I know you're gonna say that natural color is the best, and I agree. I love my natural color, but also I want something new for a change, maybe like temporary. So yeah, let me know. And also guys, don't forget that you've got 15% off with my personal discount code, The Darkest Tale, in this shop, You Be Me. So you can check it. I'll leave all the links down below. And as usual, thank you so much guys for watching my videos till the end, and I'll see you next time. Bye!